Hi, it's Fias Tyro. Okay, so Capricorn placements, timeless, love reading. Okay, so syempre before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yeah, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. And, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, message lang po sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, yeah. Okay. Let's start. Situation. Okay. Ng mga Capricorns. Anong meron? Copy. Okay. Okay, Capricorns. Anong situation meron? Okay. The Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. So, meron ditong hindi nagkakaroon ng improvement or, yeah. Okay. The Eight of Pentacles in general, walang effort. Okay? Walang progress. Yeah. What's with the Eight of Pentacles in reverse? Maybe, iba sa inyo, yung situation nyo is like, pagdating sa love, naapektuhan yung pamimera. Meron ditong naapektuhan pagdating sa pamimera. Or sa career, or sa business, or what. Okay? Yeah, the Two of Swords in reverse. Meron ditong parang tinapos. Okay, sa situation. Merong inend, merong ginawang decision. And dahil hindi nagkakaroon ng hindi nag-workout. Okay? Merong tinapos dito, ginawa ng decision before dahil hindi nag-workout. Hindi nagkakaroon ng improvement, ng progress, or hindi lang talaga nagiging okay kung ano man ang meron sa inyo. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano bang meron sa person mo? So, who is the person on your mind? Capricorn. The person on your mind, anong meron sa kanya, Capricorn? Okay, there you go. The Queen of Cups, spreading water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so this person, pwedeng may love sa'yo. Okay. Tingnan natin, anong Queen of Cups? The Fool, in reverse. Pwedeng itong taong to, tinatago niya yung feelings niya sa'yo dahil may takot. Okay? May takot na siguro mag-failed or what. Kanya-kanyang dahilan. Pero ang nakikita ko sa kanya, may feelings ito sa'yo. May emosyon. Okay? Pero nakatago. The Hermit. Okay. So, anong emosyon mo? Tingnan natin. Ano? Emosyon niya. Kasi tingnan pa lang natin kung anong description meron. Nakakaramdam ako ng panghihinayang sa taong to. Okay? Anong emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo, Capricorn? Okay. The Knight of Swords in reverse. The Wheel of Fortune. So, for me, kung mayroong ang nangyari ditong ending, hindi pa rin sila totally naka-move on. Okay? Hindi pa. Some of you, same gender kayo. Okay? Hinihintay ka nito. I don't know why. So, wala akong nakikitang messages from them. Okay? Wala akong nakikita. Actions, wala rin. Pero, still may unfinished business. Okay? So, they're not healing. They're not healing. Anong emotion mo for them, Capricorn? Anong emotion mo for them? Okay, Capricorns. The Nine of Wands. So, you're guarded. Oo. Okay, and the Ace of Swords in reverse. So, hindi ka rin nakikipag-usap sa kanya. So, I guess, ginaguard mo yung sarili mo sa taong ito. Bakit? ay, okay, the Three of Swords. So, kanya-kanyang dahilan rin, no? Pwedeng ina-avoid mo na tong taong to, dinidepensahan mo na yung sarili mo from them, and ayaw mo na lang din masaktan ulit, I guess. Okay? Yeah. Yes, 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 yo. Okay. So, tingnan natin ano ba ang next action niya pagdating sa'yo. So, nakikita ko pa lang dito na zodiac is Aqua, fixed sign, Taurus, Leo, Aquarius, and Scorpio. Okay? Next action ng taong to pagdating sa'yo, Capricorns. Iba rito, sawa na makarinig ng kasinungalingan eh. Yeah. Okay, tingnan natin. Yeah, the Hangman. So, wala silang gagawin. Okay? They're just like waiting, thinking. Okay? The Hangman. Keep you on hold. Keep you on red. Parang ganyan. Panguhulain kayo. Yeah. Pero gusto nila maging okay yung situation. Some of them, pwedeng kukunin yung attention mo. Yeah, kukunin yung attention mo. Pero parang like, ang nakukuha ko sa inyo is like, ay, alam ko na to. Lumang tugtugin na to eh. Parang ganun. No? So, basang-basa mo siya. Basang-basa mo na siya. Kahit gusto niya makipag-ayos, wala ka rin gagawin kasi parang wala rin namang mangyayari. Wala akong nakikita rito na pwedeng mangyaring progress. Okay? Puro knights, puro page. Some of them, they're like immature. Okay? Wala siyang gagawin. The Ace of Wands. Still passionate over you. Yeah. Some of you, no, iniisip ka nito, like, ano ba yun? Ano bang tamang word doon? Thinking of you sexually. Mga ganan. Okay? Yeah. They still, attracted pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Ano ang outcome ng mga Capricorns at ng inyong person na iniisip? Anong outcome nyo? Okay, this is timeless. Okay, outcome. The King of Wands in reverse. So, nandyan pa rin yung manipulator, controller. Okay, the King of Wands in reverse, the Six of Wands. The Six of Swords in reverse, the Emperor. Okay, so ikaw, tingnan nyo, Emperor and Empress, hindi magkatulad. Naka-reverse siya, si Emperor, naka-upright si Empress. So, I guess, itong taong ito, pagdating sa kanya, parang feeling niya, kaya ka pa niyang guyuin, kaya ka pa niyang paikutin. Pero I think, hindi na niya alam na marami nang nagbago sa'yo. Okay, marami na, like, naging matalino ka na ngayon, yeah, naging mas matalino ka na ngayon. So, nandun yung like, pag-guard mo sa sarili mo, no? So, outcome, the King of Wands in reverse, the Six of Swords in reverse, be careful, okay, sa iba dito na, ibababa ang guard. Be careful with this one. Okay, kasi, hindi pa sila totally nagbabago. Kung ano sila before, ganun pa rin sila ngayon. Okay, and nakikita ko basta kanila is pwedeng mas worst okay? Worst kaysa dati. So, be careful. Iba sa inyo, nakakita ko na merong, okay, this is enough, ayoko na, parang ganyan. Pero, ang nakikita ko kasi is siguro mga 70% is ayaw na bumalik dito sa taong to dahil alam na alam nang mangyayari. Pero yung 30% dito, be careful, okay? Ha, oo, ganun pa rin siya. Okay, ganun pa rin yung taong babalik na yan. Yeah, may pagbabalik ako nakikita. Okay, may unfinished business. Yeah, so you need to heal kung ikaw is interested pa rin. Okay, so tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Okay. All signs, Aries through Pisces. Okay. Siya, okay. Aries. May love, pero there's something like hindi fair. Okay, I don't know why. Hindi siya fair. Taurus. Backing away. Parang hopeless na sila sa situation. Parang hindi kayang i-fix yung dapat i-fix. Gemini. Okay, so they're being arrogant. Oo, ego. Hindi ginagawa ng solusyon ang dapat solusyonan. Kinakalimutan ang dapat gawa ng paraan. Okay? Okay, so Cancer, they want to get your attention. Okay? So, wala akong nakikita dito na offer na mangyayari. Okay? Yeah. Iba sa kanila, pwedeng gusto makipag-ayos. Next, Leo. Communication, I guess. Some of you makaka-survive. Magkakaroon ng solusyon. Okay? Pwedeng meron ditong mafi-fix na kung anong situation with this Leo. Virgo, okay, so they want to talk, they want to commit. Gusto nila, some of them is nag-i-stalk. Okay? Yeah. Libra. Okay, they're held back. They want cooperation. Hanggat wala siyang nakikitang cooperation from you, I guess, or pwedeng vice versa, hindi siya gagawa ng action. Or maybe you. This is earth sign. Okay, Pentacles. Yeah. So I guess kailangan mo mag-hold back from this Libra hanggat wala kang nakikitang cooperation with them. Okay? Next, Scorpio. They are stalking. Yeah. They want to fix yung kailangan i-fix. Parang ganyan. Pero, yeah. Parang manifesting lang ang nangyayari. May takot yung iba sa kanila. But yes, they're still hoping. Okay? Sagittarius. There's no equal tawag doon, give and take. Okay? No equal give and take. May ugali si Sagittarius. Okay. Next. Capricorns. There's growth. Okay? Some of them, pwedeng may takot dahil nakakita ng growth. Okay? Or ng improvement. Next, Aqua. May emosyon pero dinadrop na nila. Yeah. I think this is like self-love. Yeah, self-love. Being happy. Yeah. Aqua. No. Aquarius. Pisces. I'm sorry. Pisces. Okay. So, this is closure. Yeah, closure from a Pisces. Yeah. Okay. So, there. Yun ang ating reading for Capricorn placement. So, thank you.